principles of fractions. How to simplify them? Say we have, this would be the first example that we have. Say we have 1 over 2, or 1/2. And we multiply this by 2 over 2. Now we know something over something is just 1, so we're not changing this problem. So we're just 1/2 multiplied by 1. So we're not changing this problem. And we'll see this in a second. So let's look at what the answer would this be. So to multiply this, you just multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. So 1 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. Okay? Now we're going to do the same thing, but in the reverse. If we have 2 over 4, let's break this up. 2 and 4. Remember those factoring trees? This is 1 and 2. 2 and 2. Now we're going to take these numbers. This is the top number, so we'll put these numbers on top. 1 times 2 over 2, 2. This is the same thing as 1. 2 over 2 is 1. It's the same thing. So really, this just turns into 1. So we can just take this and drop it down. 1/2 times 1 is what? 1/2. Example 2. Let's take 42 over 24. Let's break this apart. 42 and 24. 14 and 3. 2 and 7. 7's a prime, 2's a prime, 3's a prime. You can do this 12 and 2. 2's a prime. 6 and 2. 2's a prime. 2 and 3. These are all primes. Now, we're going to write this down here. We'll just take each number. This is going to be the top one. This is going to be the bottom one. We'll take all the primes and put them on top. So, 2, 3, 7. These are going to all be multiplied together. And we'll take these ones and put them on the bottom. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. Now, if this doesn't have a pair with it, you just put 1 on top. You can cross any one from the bottom that you see from the top one, or the top one from the bottom one. So there's a 2 here and a 2 here. I can cross those ones out. I have a 3 here and a 3 here and cross those out. Now I'm left with 7 times 1 on top and 2 times 2. You multiply those, you get 7 over 4. Let's do example 3. Example 3, let's say we have 18 over 20. Take 18, make the factoring tree. 20, make the factoring tree. 18, we have 6 and 3. 2 and 3. Circle the primes. 2 and 10. 2 and 5. Now you just take those. 2 times 3 times 3. Then you put these ones on the bottom because this is 20, it's on the bottom. 2 times 2 times 5. you look for the ones that are similar from the top and bottom. So this is the same as 1, so we can cancel those out. And so since we don't have anything else that matches from the bottom and the top, we'll just multiply those across. So let's bring this one down. 3 times 3 over 2 times 5. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 5 is 10. And this is the simplified version of this. So if you need to simplify for this fraction, you can do this process and get 9/10. Let's talk about things that you shouldn't do when you're canceling the fractions. Say we have 1 plus 5 over 5 plus 2. You can't do this. Cancel the 5's, then just do 1/2. This is not correct. It's because you're adding. You have to be multiplying those in order to do that. And the correct answer of this would be 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. So it would be 6/7. Another thing that you can do is 25 over 6/2. You think these are being multiplied, but they're just regular numbers. You can't just do this and then go, oh, that's 5, 6. That's not correct. It would just be the 25 over 62. This can't do. Let's do another one. Last example, 12 over 144. Let's do the factoring tree for both. This is 12 times 12. 12, what two numbers can you think of? 2 and 6. Circle your primes. 2 and 6. 3, 2. 2 and 6. Circle your primes. 3, 2. Put all these ones on top. 2 times 3 times 2. Put all those ones on bottom. 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. And if they don't have pairs or matching up, you just times it by 1 on top. So this is 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 2. This is the same thing if you broke this up as 2 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. And we know anything over anything is 1, so that just becomes 1. Anything over any, that is 1. 1. So we're just left with these. So what you do, again, to multiply any fraction, you just top by the top. So you get 1, 2 times 3, 2 times 3 times 2, 12. So you have 12. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 12, 1/12 is 1/12. So we know this reduces to 1/12. This concludes lesson 2. If you have any more questions, just make a comment underneath the video or email us directly, and you can reach us at mymathmanual.com. Thank you for watching.